Hello and welcome to the Department of Chemistry at the University of Lethbridge. Our department is actually called the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry and runs undergraduate programs in both disciplines. That's to say, we produce students with a BSc in chemistry and also students with a BSc in biochemistry. The biochemistry program is jointly offered with biological sciences, our neighboring department in this building. I hope you'll visit some of the other locations on our site and experience some of the related facilities in sciences at the University of Lethbridge. Many students find themselves in this environment because every year about 400 undergraduates take a first course in chemistry in conjunction with many different programs of studies. A wide variety of sciences require a laboratory course introduction in chemistry. Chemistry has been called the central science. It is the chemistry of matter and therefore interfaces with all other sciences. It interfaces with the world of physics. It also interfaces with the world of biology because at the end of the day, biological materials, plants and animals are composed of molecules, and that's what chemistry is all about. But even students in as diverse a field as kinesiology and the environmental sciences also generally come to our department to take an introductory course. So if you're coming to the University of Lethbridge, there's at least a 1 in 4 chance that you'll find yourself in this room one day. Our program involves a Bachelor of Science degree, a 4-year major in the field of chemistry. One of the important things to recognize is that our degree program leads to professional certification in the province of Alberta as a professional chemist. P.Chem is now a legal definition under which our students are able to work in the marketplace. With changes in legislation that we have seen in recent years, that qualification will now be transferable, or will soon be transferable, across the country. Today you are visiting one of our undergraduate laboratories in organic chemistry, organic chemical synthesis. And I wanted you to see this lab because laboratory work, experimental work, is at the heart of our discipline. We have run across some students who come to us and say, wow, all those labs are a lot of work, it takes a lot of time, and that's true. In fact, if you get your bachelor's degree in chemistry at this university, you will have between 400 and 500 hours of practical, hands-on laboratory instruction. And that is a lot of time. But think of the benefits. Effectively, you are getting not only an education, but also an apprenticeship. And it is because of that practical instruction component to our degree program that, in fact, you are able to get the P.Chem certification at the end of your studies here. In a lab like this, our undergraduate students are involved in doing prescribed experiments. In this particular case, it is a synthetic lab. That's to say, they are making chemical products that from starting materials that didn't exist before. And in this particular case, they are doing 3 related molecules that are based upon benzoin. And their responsibility is, first of all, to accomplish the synthesis, to make these new compounds, and then to investigate them by a variety of tests, scientific tests, involving simple apparatus like a melting point determination, as well as more sophisticated experiments such as infrared spectroscopes and nuclear magnetic resonance instrumentation. A feature of our degree program here is that students at all levels get hands-on exposure to these instruments. We are wonderfully equipped with a wide suite of tools, and learning to use these, and learning how to interpret the results the way a person in the marketplace does it in their day-to-day work is a central part of our instruction and teaching. We hope that you will take the opportunity to return to this site or to visit some of the other laboratories and facilities on this site in the future. Thank you very much for your time and your attention.